Finding the courage to change, stealing opportunity. I'm a good person. My heart is in the right place. I want to help and uplift others. But I can't mommy the world. Even my own children resent me when I try to keep them safe when they are ready for adventure. Words don't teach, experience teaches. I've had valuable experiences. I've made lots of mistakes, but I must allow others to discover their own path. If others ask me for help, then I can share my experience, but I must never take over and do for them. When I do for someone what they could do for themselves, that is like stealing. I'm stealing that person's opportunity to learn, grow, and accomplish. The feeling of accomplishment feels so good. Yes, I do make mistakes. Yes, I sometimes have to backtrack or even start over. But each mistake contributes to the whole of the accomplishment. I learn and grow because of my mistakes. If someone else butts in and interferes with my process of learning by mistake, two things happen. First, I resent them. Next, I start to doubt that I am capable. If they believed in me, they would not interfere. That feeling of self-doubt is toxic and damaging, like rust on iron. When I consider these things, I remember to mind my own business. It's actually more loving to allow others to try and fail. My only task is to believe in them. I know that they can seize the opportunity. I will hold a vision of success for them.